9 natural drinks to reverse nerve damage in your legs after 60. Have you ever felt tingling, numbness, or burning pain in your legs that just won't go away? Many people over 60 think this is just a normal part of aging, but the truth is, it could be a sign of nerve damage. Now, here's the surprising part. Nature actually gives us powerful tools to repair and protect our nerves. And some of the best remedies are found not in pills, but in simple, natural drinks you can prepare at home. In today's video on fitness tips, we'll explore 9 natural drinks that may help reverse nerve damage in your legs, improve circulation, and restore strength after 60. Stick with me until the end, because the last drink on this list is often overlooked, yet it could be the missing piece your body desperately needs. Setting the stage. Why nerve damage happens after 60. Before we get into the drinks, let's understand what's really going on. As we age, nerves in the legs can become damaged due to poor circulation, diabetes, vitamin deficiencies, or even long-term inflammation. When nerves don't get enough blood flow or nutrients, they start to break down, leading to numbness, weakness, or sharp burning pain. The good news is that certain natural drinks can deliver antioxidants, vitamins, and circulation-boosting compounds directly into your system, helping to rebuild and protect your nerve cells. So, let's start with the first one. 1. Turmeric and warm milk drink. Let's begin with one of the most ancient remedies for nerve healing, turmeric milk. You may have heard it called golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells from further damage. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest reasons nerves struggle to heal, especially in the legs where blood circulation is weaker. Adding just half a teaspoon of turmeric to warm milk, along with a pinch of black pepper to increase absorption, can create a powerful drink for nerve health. Imagine this. Instead of reaching for painkillers that only numb the discomfort, you're actually addressing the root cause by soothing inflammation inside your nerves. Taken regularly before bedtime, turmeric milk may not only help reduce nerve pain but also improve sleep, which is another key factor in recovery. Did you know that one simple spice from your kitchen could help rebuild damaged nerves better than many expensive supplements? Stay tuned, because turmeric is just the start. 2. Green tea infusion. Next, let's talk about green tea. At first, you might think of it as just a weight loss drink, but it's so much more than that. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, especially epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been studied for its ability to protect and repair nerve tissue. In fact, some studies suggest it may help regenerate myelin, the protective coating around nerves that often wears away with age or conditions like neuropathy. Drinking a warm cup of green tea once or twice a day not only provides these protective compounds but also improves circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach the nerves in your legs, which is essential for repair. What I love most about green tea is that it's gentle, natural, and something you can easily make part of your daily routine without any side effects. 3. Ginger tea. If you've ever felt that pins and needles sensation in your legs, you'll understand why ginger is so important. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory root that also boosts blood circulation. When your circulation improves, damaged nerves get more oxygen and nutrients, which helps them repair faster. A simple ginger tea, made by boiling fresh ginger slices in water, can be a soothing daily drink. It not only warms the body but also provides compounds like gingerol, which directly support nerve health. Here's the fascinating part. Some research shows that ginger may also help reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the main reasons nerves deteriorate over time. By lowering oxidative stress, ginger tea may slow down nerve aging and give your legs a chance to recover. Imagine drinking a cup of tea that not only comforts you but also helps your nerves rebuild themselves from the inside out. That's the power of ginger. 4. Beetroot juice. Now, let's move to something sweet, earthy, and powerful for circulation, beetroot juice. One of the biggest problems with nerve damage in the legs is poor blood flow. Without strong circulation, nerves simply can't heal. Beetroot is loaded with nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound relaxes blood vessels, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to flow to the legs and feet. Think of beetroot juice as a natural fuel for your nerves. When your blood vessels open up, your nerves receive the nutrients they've been starved of, and over time, this can help repair damage and reduce pain. For many people over 60, Beetroot juice is also helpful for lowering blood pressure and boosting stamina, making it a great overall health drink. 5. Blueberry smoothie. Here's a drink that feels more like a treat than medicine, a blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which are known for their ability to protect brain and nerve tissue. Antioxidants fight free radicals, the unstable molecules that attack and damage nerve cells. A daily blueberry smoothie, blended with a bit of yogurt or almond milk, can be a delicious way to feed your nerves with protective compounds. What's amazing is that antioxidants don't just slow down damage, they can actually encourage the body's natural repair processes, giving damaged nerves a second chance. What if healing your nerves didn't have to taste bitter or medicinal at all? Imagine repairing nerve damage while enjoying something as simple as a blueberry smoothie. 6. Chamomile tea. When it comes to nerve healing, relaxation is often underestimated. Stress and poor sleep slow down the body's ability to repair itself, and that includes your nerves. This is where chamomile tea becomes powerful. Chamomile is not only calming, but it also contains natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support nerve health. Drinking a cup before bed can help you relax, reduce nerve-related pain sensations, and improve sleep quality. Think of it this way: every night while you sleep, your body is working to repair itself. Chamomile tea helps set the stage for this natural healing process to be more effective. 7. Lemon water with honey. Sometimes the simplest drinks can be the most powerful. Lemon water with honey is one of them. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which plays a key role in collagen production. Collagen is vital for healthy blood vessels and nerve tissues. Honey, on the other hand, provides natural antioxidants and has mild anti-inflammatory properties. Together, lemon water and honey create a refreshing drink that supports circulation, reduces inflammation, and gives your nerves the raw materials they need to heal. It's especially helpful when taken in the morning, as it wakes up your digestive system and boosts hydration, two things your nerves also depend on. What if repairing your nerves was as simple as starting your day with a glass of lemon water? Sometimes the answers are hiding in plain sight. 8. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is often associated with skin health, but did you know it may also help with nerve repair? Aloe vera contains compounds that reduce inflammation and improve circulation. It also has a cooling effect that may ease burning sensations in the legs caused by nerve damage. Drinking aloe vera juice in small amounts can help reduce oxidative stress in the body and promote overall healing. Some studies even suggest that aloe vera can improve glucose control, which is especially important for people with diabetes-related nerve damage. It's not the sweetest drink, but the potential benefits for nerve health make it worth considering as part of a healing routine. 9. Ashwagandha tea or milk. Finally, let's talk about ashwagandha, an ancient adaptogenic herb. Ashwagandha has been used for centuries to strengthen the nervous system, reduce stress, and improve resilience. Modern studies suggest it may even support nerve regeneration by reducing cortisol levels and enhancing antioxidant activity. Whether taken as a tea or mixed into warm milk, ashwagandha can help calm the nervous system, reduce pain signals, and create an environment where nerve repair can actually happen. For people over 60 dealing with chronic nerve pain, this can be a game changer. Imagine an herb so powerful it's been trusted for thousands of years to strengthen nerves and calm the mind. That's exactly what ashwagandha brings to the table. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Fitness Tips for more natural health solutions that can change your life. And don't forget to share this with someone you love who might be struggling with nerve pain. Together, we can spread the knowledge that healing doesn't always come from a pharmacy. It often begins right in our kitchens.